Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Grade 5 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book Chapter 6 Video Part 2 Question number 15. Write the decimal part of the decimal which is 345.23 less than the sum of the decimal this and this. So first find the sum of this decimal 675.0300. We will put 20 here to make both the decimal as the like decimal. Okay. After adding, you will get 2399.086. Okay. Now after subtracting 345.2300. Why it is so? Because there is less than, it will be your 2367 point. We don't need to subtract it completely, because question is asking for the decimal part only. So decimal part will be 7632. It is in the option number A. So 15th answer will be option A. Come to question number 16. Find an equivalent decimal for the decimal which is 252.246 less than this. ठीक है, तो 252.246 it is less than 545.003. Now 13 minus 6, 7, 9 minus 4, 5, 9 minus 2, 7, 4 minus 2, 2, and 14 minus 5, 9, here it is 2. We have to just write the equivalent decimal. It will be 292.7570 or 000 like this. Option A will be the correct answer. 16th answer is option A. Come to question number 17. X is a decimal. When X is converted into fraction, it gives 25 upon 4. Find the value of X. So देखो 25 upon 4, it is coming after the after simplifying the decimal. ठीक है, so let's check it with the decimal which on simplification just give 25 upon 4. किस decimal से हमें मिल रहा है? तो we can check option A 6.50 by 100. So decimal will be removed. Now 25 2s are and 25 6s are और ये 25 4s are. ये तो हो गया 26 upon 4 हो गया. Okay. Check option B 6.25. It will be upon 100 और यहाँ पे 25 25s are 625 and 25 4s are 25 by 4 is coming from the option number B. So 17th answer will be option B. Come to question number 18. Okay. So X is a decimal. X is this more than this. Find the integral part of X. So first find X. X हो जाएगा आपका 246.32 and 63.265. Make it equivalent and find the addition 85903. So its integral part will be 309 is the integral part. It is in the option number C. 18th answer is option C. Come to question number 19. Convert the decimal into fraction. Into fraction it will be 79. There are two decimal parts. That's why it will be 100. And since it is not available in the option, it means it is simplified. तो आप इसको सिंप्लीफाई करो, 25 से ये हो जाएगा 25 3s are 75 and 25 1s are 25. Okay, and then 25 sevens are 175 and 25 fours are. So it will be your 317 by 4. It is in the option number A. So 19th answer is option A. Okay. Come to question number 20. Write the decimal this in expanded form. So integral part will be your 200 plus 40 plus 5. And decimal part, 0 is at 10th place, so we don't write 0. 2 is at 100th place, 2 plus 100. 6 is at 1000th place, 6 by 1000. 5 is at 10,000 place, 5 at 10,000. And next 5 is at 1 lakh place. So it will be your, okay, where it is available in the option number D. 20 answer will be option D. Come to question number 21. Write the decimal this in standard form. They could 700 plus 40. This is the integral part to 740. And 5 by how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 1 lakh. So 10th, 100th, 1000th, 10,000 and 1 lakh. There should be 4 zeros in between. D. 21 answer will be option D. Come to question number 22. Find the greatest decimal from the following. So we will first check the integral part. Whose integral part is the greater? So 80's integral part is greater. So that's why we will go with the option B. 22nd answer will be B. The greatest integral part will be the greatest decimal. Arrange the following in the descending order. Descending order means greatest to smallest. First check with the integral part. Here we can see all the integral parts are same. Then we will check the 10th part. So in the 10th part, this is same, this is same. It is 3, ठीक है. 10th यहाँ पे 3 है, इधर भी 3 है. And here it is 3. Now we will check the 100th part. So you can see the 100th part is greater for this one. It will be 89.3201. It is greater than 89.32. Now next is this one. 89.3210. Okay. Now 89.30 है इधर भी, 30 है इधर भी, but it is 21. This will be 89.3021. Now it is greater, हो गया आपका 89.3012. 3012. We have done with this also. Now 0202, but it is 31. It will be your 89.0231 is greater than 89.0213. So where it is? In the option number D. You can check. The 23rd answer will be option D. Okay, come to question number 24. A cyclist takes 4 hours to cover a distance 75 km. Represent the speed of the cyclist into decimal form. So speed of the cycle, speed of anything we know, distance upon time. So time, distance is here 75 km. Time is here 4 hours. When we divide it, 4 ones are 4, 4 eights are 32, now 4 sevens are and 4 fives are. 18.75 kilometer per hour. So 24th answer will be option number C. 24th answer is option C. Come to question number 25. X is a decimal. Okay. Place value of 4 in the decimal is 4 by 100. Which one of the following places does 4 occupy in the decimal? 100th part. 100th part. तो 25th answer हो जाएगा आपका B. Come to question number 26. Where should we insert the decimal point in the numeral this? such that the base value of 5 is resulting in decimal 5/10. 5 ये देखो आपके पास 4 6 6 5 2 3 5 should be at 10th place. तो 10th place it means it should be the just right side of the decimal. ठीक है, तो decimal should be placed between 6 and 5. It is in the option number C. 26th answer will be C. Come to question number 27. Find the decimal which is 549.023 less than the sum of this and this. ठीक है, पहले सम फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं हम. इट विल बी योर 45.36 और इधर एंड देन 0 it is okay, and now here it is 10,000. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. 0.00. It will be your 10045.36. This one is less than this, to 549.023. Make it the like decimal and subtract it. 10 minus 3 7, 5 minus 2 3, 3 minus 0 3, 15 minus 9 6, 13 minus 4 9, 9 minus 5 4, 9 minus 0 9. Okay, we have to just find the decimal. 9496.337. It is in option number A. The 27th answer is option A. Come to question number 28. Which one of the following decimals should be subtracted from the sum this and this such that the resulting decimal becomes 5 times of this? First find the sum. Sum क्या होगा आपका? 56.326 प्लस हो जाएगा 74.2361. Put 10 to make the decimal like 1 2 6 3 to 5 0 13. ठीक है, 130.5621 is the sum. अब क्या बोल रहा है? Which one should be subtracted the 5 times of this? To first find the 5 times of this. So 5 multiplied by 7.3201 equal to, it will be 5 1s are 0s are 10, carry 1, 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16, carry 1 35 plus 1 36. ठीक है, अब now we have to just subtract this two decimal to find the answer. 1305621 minus 36.6005. 11 minus 5 हो गया आपका 6 1 6 9 3 12 minus 3 हो जाएगा आपका 93.9616. It is in the option number B. 28th answer is option B. Okay. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.